Welcome to our online management system, Agency2Go. This system offers the flexibility of a browser-based system and some great time-saving features to increase your efficiency. At the heart of the system is the client-level database. Collecting information on your client enables you to utilize client communication features such as text alarms, direct email, and merge letters. Under each client, you can store their policies, forms, and images, along with the details of the subjects of insurance. These detailed databases include vehicles, properties and equipment, and even additional interests. With all of the client information stored in a workflow-sensible format, you will find your policy renewals flowing efficiently. Do you issue certificates and evidence of insurance forms frequently? Our industry-leading Accord Form module, paired with our certificate holder menu, makes this arduous process a snap. You will find the Accord Forms module a powerful feature with a library of over 1,000 current version Accord Forms. These forms are designed to pull information from the client, policy, detailed databases, and other Accord Forms, minimizing your data entry tasks. Our company download add-on can save you even more time by converting the information sent by the carrier into management system data. The downloaded information may include client, policy, vehicle, property, driver, image, and more. User-level features include a reminder and task system, a shared calendar, and a convenient user home screen to get a handle on your day ahead. Our text tickler system can even send your calendar reminders directly to your cell phone. Customize the user's level of access to lock down management features and reporting for non-supervisory staff. Are you a paperless agency? Our Images feature allows you to attach files of any type directly to the client, then retrieve the file to view, download, or even email directly from the program. Utilize our powerful reporting feature to pull book of business reports and expiration lists, as well as marketing lists and even user activity. Our reports can be printed, saved to PDF, or exported to CSV to be opened in spreadsheet form. Agency2Go offers competitive per-user pricing, plus an initial 10 gigabytes of data storage, with additional storage pricing available. Give us a call today for more information or for a live demo of this exciting new program.